Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to off last seen in Instagram. Friends, if you don't want your friends to know when you are online on Instagram, then you simply need to open your Instagram app. Now here in your Instagram app, you need to press on the message icon. Now here you can see the people which are online are shown with a green dot, and if you open their chat window, you will see they are active now or their last time of using Instagram. So due to any reason, if you don't want your last time to seen by your friends, then you simply need to press on the profile icon, and here you need to press on the three lines. Now in settings and activity, you need to scroll it little down, and here press on messages and story replies. In messages and story reply, you need to press on show activity status. Now activity status is turned on by default. Now if you don't want others to know when you are online on Instagram, then you simply need to turn it off. But one thing you need to note, that if you turn it off, then others will not able to see when you are using Instagram, but you will also not able to see that when others are online on Instagram. So friends, like this you can very easily turn off last seen in Instagram. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.